My name is Chris Walker, Vietnam sourcing expert. I recommend Kim Bao if you want to make leather belts in Vietnam. Why should you choose Kim Bao? They are family owned, have 22 years of experience producing leather goods. They meet the standards for gun holsters of the Japanese police force, and they just expanded their factory, which is not yet operating at full capacity. Dang is the sales manager, and he can answer any questions you have on WhatsApp. Contact him to visit the factory, show your samples, and get price quotes. His English is good, but if you need a translator, ask me for help. I can introduce. Dang prefers that you bring a sample or a tech pack to get started. Belt production starts with sourcing the leather. They can source natural or synthetic leather from both inside and outside of Vietnam. Once the leather is cut, they smooth out the edges and surfaces to prepare for painting. Then they stamp your logo in the leather and punch the holes. Final assembly and QC is the last step. They make 3 types of belts: plain leather, braided leather, or elastic webbing belts. They can attach any kind of buckle as long as you meet their MOQ of 500 pieces. The factory is located in Ho Chi Minh City. Visit them today. They can also make leather cases, passport holders, dog harnesses, watch straps, and shoulder bags. Contact information is in the description below. I have known Kim Bao for 6 years and introduced several customers who have been happy. I highly recommend them. Hire me for either consultations or factory tours. I can introduce you to more Vietnam factory owners. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam. Contact information is in the description below.